An example of edible underground stem is first option carrot, second is groundnut, third is sweet potato and fourth is potato. Potato is the underground stem which we can eat. So correct answer is D. Male and female gametophyte are interdependent and free living in first option is sphagnum, second is mustard and third is castor, fourth is pinus. Male and female gametophyte are interdependent and free living in sphagnum. So correct answer is A. In India, we find mangoes with different flavor, color, fibers contain sugar. The large variation is account of first option is species diversity, second is induced mutation, third is genetic diversity and fourth is hybridization. In India, we find a mango with a different flavor, color and fibers content and sugar content due to the large variation in genetic diversity. So correct answer is C. Placenta and pericarp are both edible portion in first option apple, second is banana and third is tomato, fourth is potato. Placenta and pericarp are both edible portion of tomato. So correct answer is C. Cycle perform first option ATP synthesis, second is urea formation in spleen, third is urea formation in liver and fourth is urine formation in liver. Ornithine cycle perform very important role in the formation of urea in the liver. So correct answer is C. An example of axial placentation is placentation means arrangement of ovule in the ovary is known as placentation. First is marigold, second mustard, third is dianthus and fourth is lemon. Marigold is the example of basal placentation. Mustard is the example of parietal placentation and dianthus is the example of free central placentation. And lemon is the example of axial placentation. So correct answer is D. Urea is formed in the liver from first option ammonia and nitrogen, second is ammonia and CO2, third is ammonia, CO2 and aspartic acid, fourth is ammonia and carbon monoxide. Urea is formed in the liver from the ammonia, CO2 and aspartic acid. So correct answer is C. Appearances of antibiotic resistant bacteria is an example of first option adaptive radiation, second is translation and third is pre-existing variation in the population and fourth is divergent evolution. Appearances of antibiotic resistant bacteria is the example of pre-existing variation in the population. So correct answer is C. Montiel protocol refers to first option persistent organic pollutant, second is global warming and climatic change, third is substance that deplete the ozone layer and fourth is biosafety of genetically modified organism. Montiel protocol were signed in Canada to control the depletion of ozone layer. So correct answer is C. The floral formula, this is the floral formula is that of first option tobacco, second is tulip, third is soybean and fourth is sunhub. This is the floral formula of Solanaceae family. Tobacco is the example of Solanaceae family. Turnip is the example of Liliaceae family. Soybean and sunhub is the example of Fabaceae family. So correct answer is A. Angiotensinogen is a protein produced and secreted by first option macula densa cell, second is endothelial cell that is a cell lining the blood vessel and third is liver cell, fourth is juxtaglomerular cell. Angiotensinogen is a protein produced and secreted by the liver cell. So correct answer is C. Play insignificant role in absorption of water in first option wheat, second is sunflower and third is pistia and fourth is pea. Root play an insignificant role in absorption of water in pistia. Pistia is the aquatic plant. So correct answer is C. Which one of the following is not a biofertilizers? First option agrobacterium, second is rhizobium and third is nostoc, fourth is mycorrhiza. Rhizobium, nostoc, mycorrhiza play a very important role as a biofertilizer. but agrobacterium will not play in the important role in biofertilizer. So correct answer is A. Fossil of Homo erectus was discovered in first option Java, second is Ethiopia, and third is Bangladesh, fourth is Tanzania. Fossil of Homo erectus was discovered in Java. So correct answer is A. Membrane-bound organelles are absent in first option Plasmodium, second is Saccharomyces, and third is Streptococcus, fourth is Chlamydomonas. Membrane-bound organelles are absent in Streptococcus. So correct answer is C. What will happen if the stress receptor of the urinary bladder wall are totally removed? First option, there will be no micturition. Second is urine will not collect in the bladder. Third is micturition will continue. And fourth is urine will continue to collect normally in the bladder. Receptor can control the urinary bladder to release the urine. If the receptor will not present and urinary bladder wall will totally removed, then continuous micturition will be occur. Micturition means release of urine. So correct answer is C. Rennin et al. First option, milk changing casein into calcium paracalcinate at 7.2 to 8.2 pH. Second is protein in stomach. Third is fat in intestine. Fourth is milk changing casein into calcium paracalcinate at 1 to 3 pH. Rennin is a type of prolytic enzyme which help to digest the milk protein. Rennin act on milk changing casein into calcium paracalcinate at 1 to 3 pH. Casein is a type of milk protein. So correct answer is D. Ammonia is converted into urea in first option heart, second is spleen, third is liver, and fourth is brain. Ammonia is converted into urea in the liver. So correct answer is C. Uric acid is a cheap nitrogenous component of excretory product of first option frog, second is man, and third is earthworm, and fourth is cockroach. Frog and man is ureotelic, which can excrete urea, and earthworm is ammonotelic, which can excrete as a nitrogenous product in the form of ammonia, and cockroach is uricotelic, which can excrete uric acid. So correct answer is D. According to Euro 4 norms, level of S in the diesel and petrol should be S is sulfur. First option below 50 ppm, second is below 150 ppm, third is below 350 ppm, and fourth is below 35 and 50 respectively. Correct answer is D. Approximately 70% of carbon dioxide absorbed by the blood will be transported into the lungs. First option as bicarbonate ions, second is in the form of dissolved gas molecule, third is by binding to RBC, fourth is as carb-aminohemoglobin. 70% carbon dioxide is absorbed by the blood will be transported to the lung as in the form of bicarbonate ions. So correct answer is A. India is the one of the 12 mega diversity country of the world. It share what percentage of global species diversity? First option 2.4%, second is 8.1%, third is 10%, and fourth is 5%. It will share 8.1%. So correct answer is B. Which one of the following pairs of food component in women reaches the stomach totally undigested? First option is starch and cellulose, second is protein and starch, third is starch and fat, fourth is fat and cellulose. Fat and cellulose which is totally undigested, which are transferred into stomach, because fat is not easily digested, and cellulose in our body no enzyme is present for the digestion of cellulose. So correct answer is D. Asthma may be attributed to first option bacterial infection of the lungs, second is allergic reaction of the mast cell in the lungs, third is inflammation of the trachea, fourth is accumulation of fluid in the lungs. Asthma is a disease in which inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles, which is caused due to the allergic reaction of the marsh cell in the lungs. So correct answer is B. Match the columns. This is the column 1 and this is the column 2. We have to match the column 1 by the column 2. Superior vena cava bring oxygenated blood from upper part of the body into the right atrium, and inferior vena cava bring deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body to the right atrium, and pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs. So correct answer is 3. Kill is the characteristic of the flowers of first option bean, second is gulmohar, third is cassia, and fourth is calotropis. Kill is the characteristic feature of waxillary aestivation. Bean is the example of waxillary aestivation. Gulmohar and cassia is the example of imbricate aestivation. Calotropis is the example of valvate aestivation. Diagram of kill is this two stand is known as standard, and this two stand is known as wings, and this two stand is known as kills. This is the diagram of waxillary aestivation. So correct answer is A. Three kinds flower are found in first option cucumber, second is China rose, and third is rose, and fourth is guava. Cucumber is the example of epigynous flower, and China rose is the example of hypogynous flower. Rose is the example of perigynous flower, and guava is the example of epigynous flower. So correct answer is C. Which one of the following diagram represent the placentation in dianthus? Placentations means arrangement of ovule in the ovary. First is the diagram of parietal placentation. Example of parietal placentation is mustard and argemone. This is a diagram of exile placentation. Example of exile placentation is China rose, tomato, and lemon. And this is a diagram of free central placentation. Example of free central placentation is dianthus and primrose. And this is the diagram of marginal placentation. Example is P. So correct answer is C. Phylogenetic system of classification is based on first option floral character, second is evolutionary relationship, and third is morphological feature, fourth is chemical waste. Phylogenetic classification system were based on evolutionary relationship. So correct answer is B. Brain capacity of Homo habilis was first option 650 to 800 cc, second is 800 to 900 cc, and third is 600 to 1000 cc, and fourth is 900 to 1100 cc. cc is the cranial capacity. Cranial capacity of brain. Brain capacity of Homo habilis was 650 to 800 cc. So correct answer is A. Ovary is half inferior in the flowers of. Half inferior ovary is present in the perigynous. Cucumber, second is guava, third is rose, and fourth is brinjal. Cucumber and guava is the example of epigynous flower. Rose is the example of perigynous flower, and brinjal is the example of hypogynous flower. So correct answer is C. Where the lysozyme are found? First option in saliva and tears both. Second is in tears. Third is in saliva. Fourth is in mitochondria. Lysozyme is a which act as a antibacterial agent. And prevent the infection, which are present in saliva and in tear. So correct answer is A.